In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PowerPoint into Google Slides. This is a really useful teacher tech tip, especially if you already have lessons, presentations, or classroom materials built in PowerPoint and you want to move them into Google Slides without starting from scratch. The method I'm showing you here is best if you want to add PowerPoint slides into a new Google Slides file or into an existing blank presentation. To get started, open Google Slides and either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you want the PowerPoint slides to go. If you're working with a blank file, that's perfectly fine. If you already have a presentation open, just make sure it's the one you want to import the slides into because the imported slides will be added there. Once your Google Slides presentation is open, go to the top toolbar and click File. This opens the main menu where you'll find several options for managing your presentation. From that menu, choose Import Slides. This is the tool Google Slides uses to bring slides in from another presentation file. A window will appear, and from there, you'll want to click the Upload tab. This is the area where you can add your PowerPoint file from your computer. You can either drag and drop the PowerPoint directly into the upload box, or click to browse your device and locate the file manually. Whichever option you choose, wait a moment while Google uploads the file and prepares the slides for import. After the upload finishes, you'll see previews of the slides from your PowerPoint. At this point, you can choose exactly which slides you want to bring into Google Slides. If you only need a few, click those specific slides. If you want the entire presentation, simply click All to select everything. This is especially helpful if you're combining materials from different sources and only want to use part of a deck. When you've made your selection, click Import Slides. Google Slides will then insert those PowerPoint slides into your current presentation. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few seconds. Once the slides appear, take a moment to review them. Most formatting transfers well, but it's always a good idea to check fonts, images, spacing, and animations just to make sure everything looks the way you expect. That quick review can save you time later, especially before presenting to students or sharing with colleagues. And that's it. You've successfully converted PowerPoint content into Google Slides by importing the slides directly into your presentation.